forgive you for all the pain that I've been through. Please forgive me, I forgive myself for all the harm that I've caused someone else. I love you and thank you for your help. I'm sorry I was blind for all the hurt that I left behind. Please forgive me, I forgive myself for all the love that I didn't show myself. I love you and may love forever shine. I'm sorry I didn't know the harm that my words would show. Please forgive me, I forgive myself for all the pain that I inflicted on someone else. I love you and may my words be kind and true. I'm sorry I was wrong for all the hurt that I didn't right. Please forgive me, I forgive myself for all the chances that I didn't take right. I love you and may I make it right with you. I'm sorry I wasn't aware of all the karma that I'd shared. Please forgive me, I forgive myself for all the lessons that I didn't learn well. I love you and may I learn to love and care. I'm sorry I didn't see the impact of my energy. Please forgive me, I forgive myself for all the negativity that I didn't release. I love you and may my heart be filled with peace. I'm sorry I didn't know better for all the mistakes that I repeat forever. Please forgive me, I forgive myself for all the growth that I didn't achieve. I love you and may I grow in love and wisdom see. I'm sorry I wasn't kind for all the love that I left behind. Please forgive me, I forgive myself for all the compassion that I didn't find. You and may my heart be filled with love and kindness of mind. I'm sorry I let go of all the karma that I've sown. Please forgive me, I forgive myself for all the healing that I finally found. I love you and may your love and light forever surround.